So in this problem here, they're telling us the circumference of the tire, and they actually give us this additional information that we don't really need for solving it. They want to know how many rotations is it going to take for the truck to travel 2 miles in a straight line. Now, a rotation is really going to be equivalent to circumference. So they're saying how many circumferences? Well, we already know the circumference is 9.42 feet. We don't actually need to know what the formula for circumference is. If we did, we could go to our program, circles, which is program number 9, and we could recall the formula is either 2 pi r or pi d. But again, we don't actually need that for this particular problem, but it's good to know for future reference. So we're trying to figure out how many of these 9.42 feet circumferences, also known as rotations in this problem, would it take for us to travel a total of 2 miles? So to equal 2 miles. Now we want units to be equivalent so that they cancel. So right now we have feet here. We're also going to want feet over here. So let's go ahead and take the fact that 2 miles is what they're dealing with here. We want to turn that into feet. So whenever we want units to cancel, they cancel diagonally. So we know we want these to be across from each other like that. And then we know that 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. So once we multiply the 2 by the 5,280, it'll be in feet. So let's go ahead and do that. So 2 times 5,280 is 10,560. So let's go ahead and put that right here. And recall that's now in feet. So when we're solving here for x by dividing by 9.42 feet, those units are going to cancel out completely. And we end up getting approximately, I'll just press divided by, it'll take the most recent answer and divide it by 9.42. And notice it says to round to the nearest whole rotation. So that ends up being 1,121.